Hi guys, welcome back to the channel guys. I'm going to share with you my grocery haul. Of course, here we have our milk, latte milk. That's the milk that we drink here. And getting ready for the holidays, we got our turkey. It's a small turkey. It's I believe uh, I believe this is a, I don't know, 10 to 12 pounds. It was 7.89. Of course, we got our bread, and we have two 18 dozens of eggs. Because you guys know that I do a lot of baking, and the eggs were $1.99. $1.99 for the 18 pounds. So I got two of those and one tomato for our salad for our dinner. And also got a new baking sheet because it's a must. We need that. And I got my sodas, which they are the little Pepsi zero sugar, zero carbs. And we have two of the little 6-packs. That's the one that my husband drinks. And I have honey ham, and of course a block of cheese. And guys, you know, my husband, he loves this. It could be below zero out there and he still buy his Italian ices, let me tell you. And it's always the same flavor. Okay? It could be, like I said, it could be a blizzard and he still want his ices. So we got two of those. And of course, we bought our turkey bags for the turkey. Today I'm going to be making pasta for dinner. I'm going to show you how I make my baked ziti. And of course, we need a mozzarella for that. I have my Italian dressing. And guys, this is what $85 gets you, okay? We got our mayonnaise for potato salad. I either use this one, the store brand, or Hellman's. But they didn't have Hellman's, so I got the store brand. And of course, I have a bag of mini marshmallows for our hot cocoa. I will give you prices, guys, but I don't know what I did with the receipt, and it will take too long for the video. And of course, this is our pasta of choice, this brand. So that's what I'm going to be making. We also got a bag of potatoes. So that's that. And also I got two sweet potatoes for my sweet potato pie that I'm going to be making. So, and I'm showing you one of each because there's no need for me to show you all of the cans. And of course, one can of corn, which I have more than once. I have 3. And Ronaldi pasta sauce. Yeah, guys, so how are you guys doing? And of course, my husband likes to drink this stuff. He never drank this before in his life, and he started this new job, and he started drinking this. Yeah, guys. Anyways, that's all I have for you. It's nice to see you. Guys, check out my community tab we have the tier tray collaboration coming up on the 15th. You're welcome to participate. If you are a DIYer, you can make your own DIYs for your tier tray and decorate your tier tray for Christmas or for the holidays. And also, guys, we have the decorate your lantern coming up too. Um, that one is coming up. Check out the Grace Life DIY home decor for more detail. It's on her community tab. She has a whole list of open collaboration that you guys can take part in. And let's see what else. What else am I forgetting? Also, we have a home tour coming up. That one is hosted by Antoinette Decorating. You could check out her community tab for the invitation. Um, that one is going to be epic as well. Hopefully, a lot of people join for that one. And since it's the holidays, why not? What else, guys? Also, on Sundays, we have quick and easy meals. So you're welcome to participate. Just make your meal and post it. Use the hashtags. All the information is on the community tab. You're welcome to participate. And we also are looking for hosts. They are committed to post a video every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for that one, guys. So that's it for now. I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.